Nilikai long kimang.
Nilikai long kimang laki inudlutan abang ki. Laan pin singkong itu atau.
Hello. Where are you, brother? We are looking for you. Here at the Palamsi complex.
Not 2 days to go, only 2 days left for your final.
Bang,
2 days lalu.
Damak. Damak ki. Oh, dah depan nang deh.
Lapen di kaki diklaim
lapen ikan, lapen ini ikan long kemang lagi ikan kecil abang isi cuman tu, lapuan pensi cepat sini alam kiri sekelom.
Kita cara benar. Terjadi.
Cardon Zapralangso. My name is Sergeline Tipi. I'm contestant number 10. I'm from Paglangso,
Empu
KCS unit. Currently pursuing their college at Golaghat.
Currently pursuing my HS first year.
Currently pursuing my HS first year at Golaghat.
At DR College,
Their
Golaghat.
college Golaghat.
আমি ধান চিনি লো মাটি চিনি নেলা চিনি বলতে পুনো currently pursuing my HS first year at DR College Golaghat.
Currently pursuing HS first year
At DR College
at their
Golaghat.
college Golaghat. Currently pursuing HS first year at their college Golaghat. My hobbies are singing and listening to music. My aim in life is to become air hostess. That's all. Thank you.
Wait. Don't be in a rush. Music company sina unreliable.
Cardon Zapralangso. I am myself Rosin Toktipi.
My name is
Cardon Zapralangso. My name is Rosin Toktipi. I'm your contestant number 7. I'm from Rukkadi KCS unit Zapralangso. And my hobbies are trekking and singing. And my aim in life is to join in defense. That's all about me. Thank you.
Darjeeling.
Cardon Zapralangso. My name is Arjun Tiron P.
Contestant number.
Cardon Zapralangso. My name is Arjun Tiron P. I'm your contestant number 12.
Education.
I'm from Sankihidi and currently I'm pursuing my HS first year in Don Bosco Junior College, Mandra. My hobbies are cooking, gardening, and listening to music. And my aim in life is to become a successful doctor. That's all about me. Thank you so much.
Cardon Zapralangso. Ini sabi siya kanina may PGT si Patiagan si Paipo. Hindi ro kami lagi Zapralangso ang sinararo ni Bilo Kachali adi man
Sama na, ang pumatang din.
Putang English High School. Bilo Kachali ang ding lagi circuit ang ding. Hindi kati kikila masay lagi niya kati lagi Lo Kachali. Hindi kaya ang kimaya lagi idun mesen Lo Kachali pasilang sila paan
Este tahun dun lang hang oh mat au dun lo itu dan bukan itu.
Clever berarti.
Hah?
National qualification last time last time bo hobby is time saya kelang bangsi last of the introduction tangan lo mati kamu ini lang mati and then like closing the closing first sequence first round of closing lo deh aku pensok ten pinang mari lo tadi yang bongwang lo and then kusuk hak lo then line dulu di anjir mama lo po side na kayak pinang korea side na pakai kedai kenang lo mati di nang sekulit pun po dai 5 to 6 seconds lo di deh sangji tapi nasional cuma apa Daki introduction prepare sampai ni na non aku nak pakai ni tu
Lagi galau.
Nah, P6 lah.
Udah.